garlic and parsley. There's my chicken. I'm gonna put some of this on it. This is basically let me make sure. Yeah, absolutely. This is basically herbs. Ooh, I can't wait to eat this. Gotta put a lot on that. Ooh, that was good. Woo! That almost killed me. It was so good. So I gotta season up my chicken, because at midnight I'm gonna be at the stove frying it up, baby. Frying it up. I don't know how in the world I could survive without fried chicken. Yes, I am. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika in there. Yes, a little bit of paprika. Yes, baby. Now, I don't have any salt in my chicken yet. Yes, I will be adding some salt to my chicken. Let's see. I don't think I need any of that today. I do. I did. I think I put garlic. Okay, let's put some onion powder. I don't smell onion powder in there. Oh, I'm gonna love up this chicken here. Now I do have to put a little bit of something in it to give it a kick, and might as well be some of this, just a little kick. Ooh, this make me sneeze, boys and girls. Just want to throw a little bit in it. Oh, the can is empty. Dang, the can is empty. And that's my chicken. And that's one way you can spice up your chicken. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.